Hello, my name is Kanji Coder. You're on video 832. Let's get into it. So in the article shader strings within shader source fragment number 8, right down here, we have done some refactoring. So it's no longer going to be called vodfrag pun. It's going to be vodfrag pug. So you can see we added a little monkey wrench macro here for the old name of the function so that you crash if you use the old name. Okay, then down inside here, it is output pug rather than output pun. Pug for plank unit global. Okay, scrolling down. This formula is correct. I double checked it. This right here is correct. So VP1 width and height divided by VP0 width and height. Okay, inside of where is my PUG? Holy fuck, we made so many goddamn mistakes. We kept on flipping between this formula and this formula. Empirically, pragmatically, look, I tested this formula out. I tested these two formulas. This one gets the correct results. It still seems like this one should be correct, but it looks like we do want to use the zeroed out frag chord X and the zeroed out frag chord Y. That's the correct version of the formula. I think the reason I got this wrong was because when you do your letterboxing, the on-screen viewport and the off-screen viewport are actually both changing because they have to be proportional in order to not squash the graphics. Okay, let's move down. So we're still inside of the same function, and instead of output pun, it's output pug. That's how we change here. And then output pug right here. Output pug, out plank unit global. Down here, pug is random Doug. So we changed this label here. And then now it's pug right here and it's pug right here rather than pun, right? So just a little change. Right beneath our kind of conceptual include file bullshit that I think is a bad idea. So we're inside of the Bombs for Josh shader source fragment number 8. And then randomizing graph paper. So in this section called Is It Graph Paper Time Yet? In randomizing graph paper, this formula right here, right? We replaced the pun with pug for plank unit global. This is the randomized version of Doug discrete unit global. It's the global sample point within the world space. Okay, and then down here, what we did previously, and then footnotes and stuff. So if you want to see a longer explanation, go here. We do not have any time here. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are down here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman game. Like, subscribe, and follow if you want to see how to make a game engine.